Hello, welcome back to my channel, TESL Online Classroom. I'm Dr. B. Don't forget to subscribe at YouTube, TESL Online Classroom. Today we're going to learn words that begin with letter J. We will sound out letters. We will blend the sounds together. We will read words. We will also read a short story and learn how to write our own sentences. Isn't that wonderful? Okay. We will start from looking at objects and writing the names of these objects, okay? We will start with this. What is this? A juice. It could be an orange juice, apple juice, okay? But it's a juice. How do you spell juice? Let's write it down. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Very good. Juice. All right. What is this? It's a jacket. Jacket begins with letter J. Let's write it down. J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. Jacket. All right. Okay. What is this? It swims in the ocean. It stings when they are threatened. They're called jellyfish. Jellyfish begins with letter J. Let's write it down. Jelly, G-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. It's a compound word. It has two words in it. Each word has its own meaning, but we put all these two words together, it creates another meaning. Jellyfish. This is jellyfish. Very good. All right. Now, what is this? You find them on the road. Jeep. Jeep begins with letter G. Let's write it down. Jeep. Jeep. All right. What is this? You see this up in the sky. It flies. It's a jet. Jet begins with letter J. Let's write it down. J-E-T. Jet. Jet. All right. Have you seen this before? You played with a ball. Here's the ball that goes with it. You bounce it and pick one at a time. It's called jacks. All right, let's write it down. Very good. All right, now listen carefully because I am going to read all these words again, and then it will be your turn to read it to me. I will listen, okay? All right. Let's see. My turn to read. Juice, jacket, jellyfish, jeep, jet, jacks. All right, now it's your turn to read to me and I will listen. Your turn to read. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Very good. High five. You did such a good job reading these words. All right. Now, today we're going to learn few words. Okay? Well, it's about jack-o'-lantern. Where did jack-o'-lantern come from? Let's find out. You see this? It looks like a pumpkin, isn't it? But be carved. Okay? You have 3 triangles carved. You got 2 big triangles for eyes. You have a smaller triangle for a nose. And look at that. It's a crescent. Okay? For a mouth. And it came from a pumpkin. And they call them jack-o'-lantern. Let's find out. Okay? Let's read a story about jack-o'-lantern. It's not really a jack-o'-lantern, but about a pumpkin. Okay? All right. Let's see. This is how pumpkin grows. All right? The pumpkin grows. And we're establishing where the jack-o'-lantern come from. All right? All right. Let's turn to the title page. What do you see? A big pumpkin. Orange pumpkin. Just like jack-o'-lantern. All right. Let's turn to the next page. First, this is a seed. It's a pumpkin seed. Okay? So you put it in the ground. The seed grows. Let's turn to the next page. There's the seed growing. The sprout grows. And what do plants need? It needs water, air, and the sun. Here's the sprout. It has grown. Look at the rows of pumpkin plants. The plant grows. Let's turn to the next page. And then the buds. You see that? The bud grows. This is the little pumpkin flower. All right. Then the flower grows. There's the bud. The flower grows. All right. Let's turn to the next page. And here comes the pumpkin. The pumpkin grows. And it grows and grows and grows. Until the pumpkin is big and round. And guess who picked it up? A little boy. What will that little boy do with this big pumpkin? I wonder what. And it happens to be like October maybe, when we make our jack-o'-lantern. This is a pumpkin carved into jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern begins with letter J. All right? Now, let's look again. It's your turn to read, and I will listen. Okay? All right. Your turn to read. The pumpkin grows. Very good. Let's turn to the title page. Your turn to read. The pumpkin grows. There's the pumpkin. Let's turn to the next page. What do you see? Your turn to read. The seed grows. Very good. Turn to the next page. Your turn to read. The sprout grows. Let's turn to the next page. All right. Your turn to read. The plant grows. Let's turn to the next page. Your turn to read. The bud grows. Let's turn to the next page. You turn to read. The flower grows. All right. Let's turn to the next page. You turn to read. The pumpkin grows. The pumpkin grows. You turn to read. The pumpkin is big and round. Very good. All right. Now, let's go over the words that begin with letter J. Okay? This is your turn to read again. You ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready. High five. Very good. All right, now, getting back to this. And the jack-o'-lantern. Oops. That's right. Jack-o'-lantern. Okay? Let's write something about jack-o'-lantern. Are you scared of jack-o'-lantern? Do you like carving jack-o'-lantern? Let's write it down. I give you 1 minute, maybe less than 1 minute. Okay? Now let's see. Let me hear your sentence. I like carving jack-o'-lantern. Let's write it down, okay? I like carving jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. And I will end it with a period because you are just telling me that you like carving jack-o'-lantern. I like carving jack-o'-lantern. It's your turn to read. I like carving jack-o'-lantern. Very good. High five. You did a great job. Okay. Our next lesson would be, what letter comes after J? K. Okay. Follow me. YouTube. TESL online classroom. Okay. Our next lesson would be letter K. All right. Good job. High five. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.